Hello students, welcome to another new video. Today I'll discuss about the NEET biology paper of 2025 and I'll discuss about its difficulty level because NEET 2025 biology paper will give us idea how we have to prepare for NEET 2026 because this year some certain question came from unpredictable zone and that we have to understand. Even I'll give some idea regarding each and every specific chapter of the biology from which section the maximum number of questions came. So let's start the video. If you have any confusion, you can comment me. As you can see, the total 9 different types of question came this year in the NEET 2025 paper. Whatever I have seen, total 37 question came as a single correct. That means one-liner question came as a 37 question. Okay, earlier if you check NEET 2016, NEET 2017, 18, before 2020, one-liner question number was bit high. But after 2020, this number every year decreasing. Correct or incorrect? Correct statement based, incorrect statement based question total came in NEET 2025 paper is 16 question came. Assertion and reason. This is very important. Kindly remember, assertion reason based question is a type of question which earlier actually comes in the AIIMS paper. But nowadays, every single year after this 2023-24, from this time, the assertion reason based question number gradually increasing in the NEET paper. And maybe in the upcoming years also, we will see the number will increase for assertion and reason based question. Nowadays, in CBSE paper also, I have seen the assertion reason based questions are coming. Statement 1 and statement 2 type question. Here you can see statement 1 and statement 2 type question came, total number is 8. So which statement is correct? Match the following column. And we know even match the following column based question also increase in the paper because multiple concept is required to answer this type of areas. If I told you regarding the event oriented question, total 3 question came in the paper. Diagram oriented, 4 question came in the paper. But I am a bit surprised by seeing the diagram. Those diagram came this time, like one of the diagram came from plasmid, that is from biotechnology section. So that picture is not based on NCERT. Even the pedigree, which is the pedigree related picture which is given this year, so that is even not based on the NCERT. One of the question was from nephron structure. Although I can say that is from NCERT, but earlier, before 2025, up to from 2013 to 2024, whatever the picture based question came, that picture directly came from NCERT. But this year, whatever we have seen, that this year the picture, it's not from NCERT book directly. Concept is from NCERT book. The picture came from outside. The pedigree picture and the biotechnology, the plasmid picture. Numerical based question this time was total number was 3 and multiple example based is 3. So if I told you, so major focus this year, remember that was in assertion reason, this number of question gradually increasing as I told, as well as match the following column. Match the following column also gradually increasing in the paper. Maximum number more than one liner question. That's why the NEET paper, biology paper actually take times. If I go with the class 11 and class 12 wise, every chapter I have decode here. So if I check properly, unit 1 having living world, plant kingdom, biological classification and animal kingdom, these 4 chapters. And out of these 4 chapters, plant kingdom and biological classification together 6 question came and animal kingdom 4 question came. So total 10 question out of 90 question came from the unit 1. If I told you about unit 2, here you can see total 3 chapters. Morphology of flowering plants, total 3 question came from that part. Anatomy of flowering plant, 1 question came from that part, very less number of question from anatomy of flowering plant. Structural organization in frog. This year from frog lots of question came. Remember that. From frog lots of question came. So from unit 2 of class 11, total 8 question came out of 90. If I go with the unit 3 of class 11, from unit 3 cell chapter, cell, the unit of life, 5 question came from the cell. Cell division, 1 question came. Biomolecules, 4 question came. So total 10 question out of 90. If I go with the unit 4, that means photosynthesis, respiration in plant and plant growth, that means the plant physiology portion. 2 question came from photosynthesis, 1 question came from plant respiration, and from plant growth 2 question came. But I get really surprised this time, from plant physiology part less number of question asked this time, whereas from unit 1 and unit 2 major question came. Major question means that much of weightage was not there in the earlier year. Now come to the unit 5 from body fluids and circulation, because this area, this unit 5 of class 11, that is the human physiology portion, it's a bit unpredictable part. Total number of chapters are 6, because 1 chapter deleted last year, that is digestion and absorption. Out of the 6 chapter, question came this time from 3 chapters. From body fluids and circulation, question came, 1 question came this time. From chemical coordination and integration, that means the endocrine system, 4 question came, maximum weightage this time. Excretory product, 1 question came from excretory system. So total 6 question from human physiology section out of the 90 question. And 1 question came as a mixed of all units. Okay, so total question came from class 11 section, its total number, it's 40. So again, if I revise, from unit 1 10 question, from unit 2 8 question, unit 3 cell part 10 question, unit 4 here I am bit surprised, less number of question came from this time. Earlier the question number was higher, okay, but this time 5 question came, and from human physiology section 6 question came from human physiology, and as a mixed one, as a 1 question. So total 40 question came this time from class 11 section, and the maximum focused this time from class 12. Out of 90 question, 50 question came from class 12 part. So let's check that one. Sexual reproduction of flowering plant, 5 question came this time. Human reproduction, 5 question came this time. Reproductive health, 1 question came this time. So total 11 question from these 3 chapter of reproduction unit of class 12. Now the most highly rated chapter in NEET, highly rated unit in NEET, that is genetics part, but this time the weightage is bit low than the last year's. So principle of inheritance and variation, 3 question came. Molecular basis of inheritance, 7 question came. Evolution chapter, 1 question came. So total number of question is 11. Every year on an averagely from this particular genetics unit, 16 on an average, 15 to 16 on an average question asked, but this time the weightage is bit low than the last year's. Now if I go with the unit 8, human health and disease, 5 question came from this time. Microbes in human welfare, 4 question came this time. So total number of question, it's 9 here. Actually it will be 9, okay, out of the 90 question. Here the weightage get increased. Okay, from biotechnology, total number of question this time from the first chapter, principle and process, 6 question came. Biotechnology application, 3 question came. So total number of question is 9. Okay, on an averagely same like the last few years. Biotechnology having 2 chapter on an averagely, I told earlier in my classes also that 8 to 10 question asked earlier also in biotech. So this year also came like 9 question. If I go to the ecology section, ecology part, from ecology section, organism and population, 4 question came. From ecosystem, 3 question came. biodiversity and conservation, 2 question came. So total 9 question came. So if I see the overall paper, overall I am talking about chapter wise. So what the idea this time we are getting, like every single chapter total 10 unit, and on an averagely 9 to 10 question came from each and every particular unit. Exception is only human physiology, from where 6 question came this time, and plant physiology, from where 5 question came. Rather than that, on an averagely 8 to 10 question came from every single unit of class 11 and 12. Remember that. So this is one of the idea that we are getting from 2025 paper. Now, if I go with the class 11 level, how many easy question asked this time? So total number of easy question this time in the paper was 18. 18 question from class 11 was too easy. Medium level 16, bit hard was 6. So total 40 question came, as I discussed earlier, also from class 11 level. If I go to the class 12 section, from class 12 part, easy question number was 18, medium type 19, and 13 question bit difficult. So total 50 question. And if I give you the review that how we have to study, see, according to my personal observation, I think particularly that you guys have to study NCERT thoroughly, because this time some question came from unpredictable areas that I told you: molecular basis of inheritance, principle of inheritance and variation, evolution. That means the entire genetics part, entire unit 7 of class 12, having the high weightage earlier, but this time it get reduced. Human physiology, plant physiology, weightage get reduced. So this was bit unpredictable. Even some question even came from the introductory part of the chapter also. So I think every one of you need to prepare very carefully, need to study the NCERT very carefully, and need to clear your all single doubts. If you study NCERT carefully, line by line, if you prepare your short notes, then NEET will be very much easy for you guys. So what I have given here, as you can see, that conceptual clarity need to be there. If your concept is not clear, it will be very difficult to crack the NEETs. To tackle the statement and assertion reason based question, so our concept is required, concept clarity is required. If you have any doubts, please ask your teacher regarding the doubts. So you can solve the assertion reason based question and statement 1 and statement 2 type question. Practice the diagram and visual identification question, especially from the zoology part, because from this year's zoology section, the diagram oriented question came. Match the column and multi-statement type question required thorough NCERT reading. So please carefully read your NCERT, clear your all doubts. I hope the NEET 2026 will be very good for you. For any further information, kindly subscribe my channel. You will get all the updates in my channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.